So let's go through the product law of logarithms. Okay, if you have a logarithm with base a, log a x y is equals to log base a x plus log a y. So typically what this means, okay, really what this means is that if you have log a and you have the product of x and y, you can break it up into a plus. Okay, so log ax, you can write it on one side, and log base a to y, you can write it on the other side. So you can break it up. Okay, if it's product, okay, you can break it up to this. Okay, if you have this, you can combine it back to this. Okay, so let us try to attempt a question. Okay, example. Okay, if you have log 6 base 6 3 plus log 6 2. Now what we have is here, okay, they have common bases. You realize that common bases here as well. Okay, and then you have 3 and 2, which is your x and y. Now you want to simplify this, so since they are of the same base, what you can do is log 6 3 times 2, isn't it? Okay, and what you get is log 6 6. Log 6 6 will just give you 1. So if you remember this law, log base a to a will give you 1. So this is just one example of how you do it. Alright, and let's look at another example. Okay, so say we have log 2 base 2 to 40 plus log base 2 to 0.1 plus log base 2 to 0.25. Okay, so what you will get is log, okay, since they're all pluses, isn't it? Okay, and since they're all of the same base, you realize that? Okay, you can just multiply this, this, and this together. Okay, so you can just multiply 40 times 0.1 times 0.25. What you get will be log, the base stays there. 40 times 0.1 is 4. 4 times 0.25 is just 1. Okay, and this will give you 0. If you remember, log base a to 1 will give you 0. Okay, one of those things that I actually asked you to remember earlier on, so do remember this. Alright.